Today I'm going to be showing you how to restore these plastic headlights on this Nissan Micra. They're quite faded and dirty, oxidised and quite cloudy, so we're going to use a simple and easy technique with a machine polisher and a couple of different products to bring back the clarity and the clearness of these lenses. First thing I'm going to do is give them a quick spray over with a panel wipe, just remove any excess dirt, etc. Like so. I'm going to pop the bonnet and then I'm going to mask off the wing and the bumper so I don't actually mark the actual paintwork with the polisher. So just mask off this area, tucking into the actual aperture. Like that, pretty much. So I'm going to start off with the 3M Fast Cut Plus. It's quite an aggressive cutting paste. I use that with the green head. I'm probably not going to, usually you can wet flat this over with something like a 1500 or 2000 to remove any marks, but I'm going to see how I get on with just the cutting paste on its own first before actually deciding whether I'm going to wet flat or not. Try a little area first. Yeah, that's going to work perfect. To give you a closer look, it's just one pass. You can actually see the difference in clarity there. So I think the 3M paste is going to be perfect, and then I'm going to go over with a Meguiar's Ultimate Polish, and then I'm going to use headlight cleaner and sealer just to hopefully protect it from further oxidisation. So they're starting to come up quite nicely. There's a few little marks at the front here, so I'm going to have to get out the wet and dry, I think, probably a bit of 1500 and a bit of 2000, just remove this marks there. You can see those in the lens, just to improve the actual plastic a little bit. So I'm just going to do this area here, I think, along this edge here, and then again we'll go over with the 3M cutting paste to bring up the shine and the clearness. So start with a bit of 1500, a bit of water, just gently smooth out any imperfections in the actual lens. Water with just a tiny little bit of dish soap in there just to give it a bit of lubricant. Just go over the top with a little bit of 2000. Just remove any 1500 marks just to make it easy to polish up. Okay, give that a quick polish now, see what we got. Much nicer. The next stage, I'm going to be using a softer pad with the Maguire's Ultimate Polish, just to actually refine the actual plastic a little bit before I finish off with the sealer. The next stage is going to be the Turtle Wax Headlight Cleaner and Sealant. Pretty good stuff actually, it's not a bad price actually this. I think the whole bottle was only, yeah, £5, there you go. And it seals against contaminants and oxidisation as well. What I'll do is just go around the edges by hand with this stuff. There we go. One done. There's after. There's before. After. Much better. Take the tape off. Nice easy job. Take your time, get some decent products. You can restore them back. You probably need a little bit more 1500 through here actually. I might even do that and go over this one more time. Just remove there's a little slight hazing through there, if you can see that on camera. I'll probably remove that again. Just give it another buff over for the sake of half an hour. From that. To that. So, if you've liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you found it interesting, stay safe out there and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!